After every 3 or 4 chainsaw sharpenings, you want to check the raker height on your chain. That's the little nub I'm pointing at between each cutting tooth. The raker height is important because it determines the depth of cut your chainsaw will take. A raker that's too long will not allow the chain teeth to cut wood, and the raker that is too short will cause your saw to cut too aggressively, possibly bind and kick back. The tools you'll need to do this job are a depth gauge and a flat file. I got this one at Walmart for $1.76, but you can get these at most any hardware store. The process is very simple and takes maybe 2 to 3 minutes to do your whole chain, and you don't need to remove the chain. All you need to do is set the gauge on the chain with a little raker nub sticking up in the slot in the middle of the depth gauge. Whatever is protruding, you want to file down even with the gauge. As you can see, mine really doesn't need to be done. An accurately filed raker along with a properly sharpened chain will give you nice, straight, smooth, effortless cuts. I will demonstrate how a properly set up chainsaw cuts. As you will see, the chainsaw is doing all the work because the raker height is correctly set and the saw is properly sharpened. And here's what the wood shavings look like. Isn't that beautiful? Like bedding in an Easter basket with nice long wood chips. Follow this procedure along with my chainsaw sharpening instructional video, and you will find that cutting trees is fast, easy, and effortless.